Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to share with you all 4 different pure and natural beauty bar soaps to solve all of your beauty problems. It's quick, easy and super duper effective on your skin. So first I'm going to show you a beauty bar soap that will instantly lighten and brighten your dull skin tone. So the first and the most important thing you need is soap base, without which you cannot make soaps. So here I am using melt and pour soap base made with natural goat milk. You can easily purchase this ingredient on Amazon. To pour the soap batter, you can use silicone molds or you can also use these kind of plastic molds. So before using, grease the plastic mold with vitamin E oil. Slice the block of goat's milk soap base into cubes. Simply melt the soap base. So first add a big tablespoon of kaolin clay, that is also known as the white cosmetic clay, and then add 1/4 cup of yogurt. Stir continuously until smooth. Now pour the soap batter into your favorite molds. Place your molded soap into the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes. If it is properly set, the soap should pop out quite easily. Directly rub this extra creamy, thick and gentle soap onto your wet face and body for a minute. If you want to reduce the darkening of your skin, this soap is an excellent option. This unique formula is universal for dry, balanced, sensitive, combination and even oily skin tone. It also fights uneven and dull skin tone and leaves your skin evenly bright, fresh and glowing. You can use this every day. To prepare this soap, I am using the ultra clear melt and pour soap base. To slice the block of soap base into cubes. Simply melt the soap base. Add 2 teaspoons of sandalwood powder, half teaspoon of Manjistha powder, and finally 3 drops of tea tree essential oil. Now this ingredient is optional. Pour the soap batter into your favorite mold. Place this molded soap into the freezer for 10 minutes. The soap should pop out quite easily. Wet your face and gently rub for a minute. Let it sit for 2 minutes and then rinse off with cool water. The antibacterial properties of sandalwood and Manjistha fights acne, pimples, tiny bumps on forehead and prevents skin infection. It detoxifies the skin and clear up clogged pores. Using it regularly helps you achieve acne-free and clear skin. If you want to keep your skin looking young and smooth for long and want to erase those premature age lines from your face, then you must definitely add this product to your current skincare routine. First, grease the plastic mold with vitamin E oil or almond oil. Slice the block of goat's milk soap base into cubes and melt the soap base. Goat milk already have anti-aging and moisturizing benefits that can make your skin naturally youthful. Once the soap base has melted thoroughly and there is no lumps, add 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil, 2 teaspoons of coconut oil and half teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. Stir continuously until smooth and pour the soap batter into the mold. Place your molded soap into the freezer for 15 minutes. This is an ideal soap for removing those suffering from stubborn dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Gently rub this moisturizing soap for 2 minutes and then rinse off with cool water. You can reverse the aging process with this super nourishing and moisturizing soap that helps smooth out fine lines on the skin. After using this soap, your skin will become softer and more supple. You can enjoy healthier looking skin with a radiant young glow every day. To prepare the soap, I am using the Ultra Clear Melt and Pour soap base. So first, slice the block of soap base into cubes. You have to melt the soap base. Add 1 teaspoon of wild turmeric powder, that is your kasturi turmeric. Then add 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. And finally 3 drops of lemon essential oil. Now this is optional. Stir continuously till you get an even mixture. Now pour the soap batter into your favorite mold. Place your molded soap into the freezer for 10 minutes and your soap is ready to be used. Wet your face and gently rub for a minute. Let it sit for 3 minutes and then rinse off with cool water. The presence of wild turmeric and aloe vera help lighten sunspots, age spots, hyperpigmentation and dark spots. It grants your skin a blemish-free, flawless glow. You can try making any of these soaps for gorgeously beautiful skin. Friends, I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Take care and bye.